So in the previous video, I talked about an equilateral triangle with all the sides equal to 2 units and all the angles equal to 60 degrees. So now we're able to derive the height of that triangle, which was root 3. And then we have a basic unit right angle triangle, which we are going to use to get the basic trigonometric ratios that we have in mathematics. So, what are trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios include the cos, the cosine, the sine, and the tangent. Okay, so the cosine stands for every right angle triangle, the cosine stands for the adjacent all over the hypotenuse. The sine of the angle stands for the opposite over the hypotenuse, while the tangent stands for the opposite over the adjacent. And now we have different angles. We have angle 30 degrees. Okay, so angle 30 degrees has an opposite, an adjacent, and a hypotenuse. The opposite for 30 degrees is 1. The adjacent, meaning the line that touches the angle, is for 30 degrees is root 3, while the hypotenuse for all of them will be 2. Now we have another angle 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Now the opposite for 60 degrees is the side facing 60 degrees, which is root 3. The adjacent is the side touching the angle for 60 degrees is equal to 1, and both of them have a hypotenuse of 2 units. So with all these details, we are able to find the trigonometric ratios for 30 degrees and 60 degrees. This is sufficient for us to find it. So first of all, let's go for sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees. Sine, remember, is opposite of a hypotenuse. For 30 degrees, the opposite is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. Now let's look at cos. Cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees. For 30 degrees, the adjacent is root 3. And the hypotenuse is 2. Okay. Now let's find sine 60 degrees. For sine 60 degrees, the opposite is root 3 and the hypotenuse is 2. For cos 60 degrees, the adjacent is 1 and the hypotenuse is 2. So, draw a conclusion from here. That means there is some ratios that have the same values. So write in the comment section that's trigonometric ratios that have the same values. Thank you for watching.